Big results, little downtime. 2 weeks ago, we saw how much a difference a day can make in a May Day makeover. Well, Dr. Bill Johnson, he is back with Innovations Med Spa. He's here to show us how Thermage can take inches off the waist and hips in just hours. Sounds like good news to me. How are you, Bill?
Good morning. I'm great.
We've talked about Thermage on this show before, and we have a live patient here, which is so great. We can demonstrate how this really works so quickly and effectively. So Linda got started on patient Bethany just a few hours ago. What's been happening?
Yeah, we started about 8 o'clock, and we start with measuring from the floor, so we make sure we're measuring in the same spot. So we got her waist measurements and we got her hip measurements about 8 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
And then we got started, and this is showing us getting those measurements. So we want to make sure we can reproduce. We want to make sure we can get it in the same spot so that
you get that accurate
reading
that you see how many inches you can lose off the hips and the waist. Okay, let's get to it because we want to know. This is Linda. Hi, Linda. I know you're the technician. You're like, don't put me on camera, but we want to know, what were Bethany's measurements before?
They were at, I wrote them down right here, 28 3/4, and then 33 and...
I know, I'm asking you. 3/4, he's saying. Okay, so you had her measurements before, so now we're going to ask Bethany to stand up because her process is complete. That's right?
Yes.
Okay, Bethany, I'll let you assist her and pick her up off the table there, and she's going to do some measurements. So what we're seeing here, she's going to do measurements. She's going to let us know how many inches she lost, but although there are immediate results, the results keep getting better over time.
We did one tip on Bethany. We often do 2 tips on abdomen and love handles. So we're going to get to see what the results are from just one tip. This is the least we do on an abdomen.
Okay.
And we are going to see pretty good results, I think. She's a good candidate. But this is just the immediate results, Amy. About 40% of the results are immediate, but she's going to get further improvement. She's going to get about 60% of her results over the next few months.
That sounds like too good to be true, and that's the best part about Thermage. I know because I've had it done before. It's so great that you can have immediate results, but then over time, you're not even doing anything, you're losing inches.
That's right. It really is great. It's really great after pregnancy.
So I can't do it during pregnancy?
No, not during pregnancy. We don't do that. But it really is super when there's loose skin.
Yep.
And folks that have lost weight, gone into an exercise program, started really working out, really makes a difference. Now, not all Thermage is the same. We use the 16 centimeter tip here.
All right, and we're seeing how we're working it here. That's a big tip. That makes the biggest difference because you're covering a larger area at one time.
Yeah, and we've done more 16 centimeter tips than anyone else in the country. And in fact, later this week, we're going to get the updated 16 centimeter tip. We'll be the only practice in the country to have it.
All right, let's get some results over here because I see that Linda is calculating in her head. She did various different measurements. Do we know how many inches total, Linda, that she's lost so far?
I'm going to ask Dr. Johnson. Okay. We're now at 28, where we were at 28 3/4.
So that's 3/4 of an inch in the waist.
And we were at 33 3/4, and now we're at 32.
Ooh, that's a nice big jump.
She lost 1 3/4 in her hips.
Wow.
So almost 2 inches in the hips and not quite an inch in the waist.
Just since 8 a.m. this morning. Okay, Bethany, I know you signed up for this today, so are you really happy to know that already you have some inches down just under 2 hours?
I'm extremely happy.
Yeah, and to know that this obviously is going to be working over the next few months to come. 60% more results, I think Dr. Johnson just said.
Yes.
Really great stuff, right?
Yeah, I'm ready for the beach.
You're ready for the beach. Hopefully those everything but water swimsuit models left you a swimsuit because you're going to look great in it. Okay, so again, remind us, if someone wants to find out more information about this or they want different sections, maybe not just the abdomen, this is something that we can use on other parts of our body.
Yeah, we can do Thermage on almost any body part, but it started out in the face. We don't use a 16 centimeter on the face, but we can do it on arms, we do it on legs.
You even had Thermage on your face before.
I've had Thermage on my face a couple of times,
yeah.
That's right. So, but one of the things that's exciting about this is she'll have no downtime. She can go to work this afternoon.
That's great.
And have lost those inches without really any effort.
I love that. Okay, well, Bethany, we want to get a report back from you. Check back in a few months. We want to see how great you look in that swimsuit. And for more information about Thermage, log on to innovationsmedspa.com or give them a call. It's 972-331-8844 for a consultation. And if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, just drop him an email. It's questions@innovationsmedspa.com.